Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making tiger nut milk drink. It's very tasty, delicious, and creamy. These are the ingredients we are using for our tiger nut milk drink. So we have our tiger nuts here, which are soaked in water. Then we have a thumb size of ginger, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have my homemade coconut milk. The recipe is linked below in the description box. You can check out. We'll be using 2 packs of ice cubes or ice block, locally called. We'll also be using a jug, 2 serving glasses, a glass straw, and then our wooden ladle here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. This is our tiger nuts. This is about 1.5 cup. So we are going to pour it onto our serving tray here. Remove any unwanted particles from it, and then we continue from there. So this is about how much of the dirt I've been able to collect. So to trash it, and then we'll fetch the rest here into the bowl. So this is how it looks like. We are going to add in some water and we'll rinse it for about 5 to 8 times, just so we can wash every single dirt of it. So we'll trash the first water that we've obtained, place it down, and then add in the second water. Then we'll wash it again. Depending on how dirty your tiger nut is, that will influence the number of times you wash it. But as you can see, mine is not as dirty as most ones that are obtained from the markets or vendors is. So what we are going to do is that we'll rinse it for 5 times, then we'll stop there. After 5 times of rinsing, this is how clean and nice it looks. So we are going to add in water, which we'll use to soak it for 24 hours. We are actually soaking it for 48 hours, which is 2 days. But we'll first add this cup of water and then soak it for 12 hours. We'll change it from time to time until the 24 hours elapses. So I'm going to cover with the lid and then we'll set it aside until 12 hours time. Then we change the water around it. So this is our tiger nuts after 48 hours of soaking in water, and this is how they look like. We are going to drain this water off, wash it, and then we'll blend. So I'll add in the water, wash, and then we'll start fetching it into our blender cup. Set this aside, and then we'll start chopping our ginger here. Then we'll fetch it and add here. So I'm going to add just half of our coconut milk here. Add the cover and then proceed to blending. I'll add in more of the milk just to help it blend properly. So this is our bowl. I'm going to pour it inside. We use some water to rinse the blender and add it in. This drink starts to ferment pretty quick. So what we are going to do is that I'll place in one of our ice blocks here, kind of shift it to the side so that it relaxes on the side of the bowl. Then we'll start by covering it with our cheesecloth. And we'll start to sieve it. So as we are sieving, it's also getting very cold so that it doesn't kind of ferment. This is what we've got. This is the chaff we've got. So I'm going to get rid of it and then we'll sieve for the second time. Now we are going to transfer it into a bigger bowl since what we are sieving we are not yet done with, so that we can keep it at a controlled temperature and it doesn't go bad. Cover with the cheesecloth once again and then sieve out every single bit. We'll rinse the bowl with some water and add it back in. We are going to squeeze out every bit of the liquid. Now we are going to add in our sugar. We'll still not take the ice block out because if we take it out, the drink can get fermented. So we'll add it in and mix. We are adding the sugar to our preferred taste. You can just do it like that with the sugar or without the sugar, but in my household we love sweet things. So we are doing what we want. Feel free to leave the sugar out. Now I'm going to use the measuring cup to fetch it and then fill our jug and our cups here as well. Now I'm going to serve it. So I'll cover with the lid, and this is how it looks like. To enjoy it, I'll add in the straw and then give it a taste. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.